Hello everyone! Do you feel bored because still pandemic situation? I have a solution for you. Please join us in virtual tour in Ketekesu, especially in Tanah Toraja.
Toraja is heavenland and being home for Trojan's tribe. People have a unique culture, tradition, history, and they respect their ancestors.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ketekesu. This is a traditional custom from Toraja. Please wear it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Ketekesu is a tourist village in Tanah Toraja. As you can see, can be amazed the world. And then the behind me is a traditional house from Toraja. The name is Tongkonan. Why the name is Tongkonan? Tongkonan is a meaning from traditional language from Toraja is sitting, because long time ago, when Toraja nobles want to sitting, they are gathering something to discuss. And then in Ketekesu have a 6 tongkonan and 12 barns.
And then the age of the traditional house is 300 years old.
And then this place always held the biggest ceremony in Tanah Toraja, which is now Rambu Solo and Mangra Rabanua. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please follow me to the next destination and watch your step. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the old lady who live in this tourism object.
She always keep environment to be clean.
If you visit Ketekesu, look after the
Environment to away from the trash.
So ladies and gentlemen, as long the street, as you can see many merchandise you can buy, and then this made from the local people. Wow. And please watch your step. So ladies and gentlemen, now we are arrived in traditional grave Toraja. So any question guys?
What is that?
Oh, this is the tombs
From the Torajan people. Toraja people have rituals. If someone dead, he making a statue from who is the dead, and then he make in this area.
There are a lot of tombs in this area with many shapes such as like a square box, boot and pig, and many more. They carve the wood tombs with traditional motif and put a statue which the symbol of Toraja's ancestor.
Hey, what are you doing, Ipal?
I have been watching virtual tour of Toraja.
Same as me. I have watched the video before.
Yeah, Toraja is really beautiful.
I agree with you. Toraja is really beautiful and the history is really interesting. Why we don't go to Toraja now?
Sounds good. Let's go to Toraja.